This is a world in its infancy, still forming and far from the hospitable planet we now call home. The atmosphere is thick with volcanic gases. These gases, including carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and water vapor, create a dense, toxic shroud around the planet. The sky is perpetually darkened by ash clouds, blocking out the sun and casting an eerie reddish glow over the landscape. Breathing this air would be impossible for any modern life form. The volcanic activity releases vast amounts of these gases, contributing to a greenhouse effect that keeps the planet's surface scorching hot. This thick, noxious atmosphere is a far cry from the clear blue skies we are accustomed to today. There is no liquid water, only vapor. The intense heat causes any water that does exist to evaporate almost instantly, creating a steamy, barren terrain. The landscape is dominated by vast plains of solidified lava and towering volcanic peaks. Steam rises from the ground, adding to the already thick atmosphere. Pools of molten rock bubble and churn, releasing more gases into the air. This is a world where water, the essential ingredient for life, exists only as a gas, unable to condense into the liquid form that would one day fill the oceans and support life. The moon, much closer than it is today, exerts a powerful gravitational pull. This proximity means that the moon's gravitational influence on the Earth is much stronger, causing massive tides in the molten rock that covers the planet's surface. These tides create waves of lava that rise and fall, adding to the already tumultuous environment. The moon itself is a constant presence in the sky, appearing much larger and more imposing than it does today. Its gravitational pull not only affects the molten rock but also contributes to the tectonic activity that shapes the early Earth's landscape. This pull creates massive tides in the molten rock. These tides are unlike anything we see in the oceans today. Instead of water, waves of molten rock rise and fall, driven by the moon's gravitational force. These tides contribute to the constant reshaping of the planet's surface as the molten rock flows and solidifies in new patterns. The sight of these lava waves would be both mesmerizing and terrifying, a reminder of the immense forces at work in this young, volatile world. The tides also play a role in the cooling process, as the movement of the molten rock helps to dissipate heat. Over time, the bombardment from space slows. In the early days of the solar system, the Earth was frequently hit by meteorites and comets, adding to the chaos and heat of the planet's surface. These impacts brought additional material to the Earth, contributing to its growth and the formation of its crust.